Hey guys, and welcome back to Moto Addictions. I hope everyone's having a great day. And before we want the video, I just want to say that I've been watching some of my videos back, and when I edit them and stuff like that, I'm realizing that I'm talking really fast, and sometimes it's really hard to understand me. So I'm going to slow down, pronunciate my words. But in today's video, we are going to be working on, again, the 70 gas tanks. This is part 2. We are going to be finishing up the bottom. And as you can hear the rust in there, I picked up a little something from the store I want to show you guys. A buddy off actually YouTube said, hey, this works really well, so it's over there, and I'll show you guys what that is. But wow. Okay guys, so I haven't totally finished down the sand. I got a good portion on the bottom. I haven't finished it down all the way, but I really just want to clean the inside first. And I shook out the inside of the tank to get the loose stuff. That was what it was inside. That's not even all of it. You listen? Still some, but that's the type of stuff that's in my... It's ridiculous. Anyway. Right. This is what we're going to be using today. It is muriatic acid. This is what you use to clean pools and stuff like that. And a buddy on YouTube, he helped me out, and he said he uses this and it cleans really well. Put it in there for 2 to 3 hours inside the tank, and then wash it out real good, and you should have a really clean tank. So going with some blind faith and trusting this man that this will work. But let's get to it. Let's get this poured in. We'll have a couple hours, and then I'll be back with you guys, and we'll see what happens. So.
It was at this moment that he knew.
So guys, you're probably wondering, is this the same gas tank? And sadly, it is. Guys, I would just like to say that the guy that gave me this advice, please don't hate on him. It really wasn't his fault. I should have checked on the gas tank more, and I'm going to get into why I think that it broke through the tank in 45 minutes when it totally shouldn't have, because I talked to some other guys, and they're like, yeah, it's really strong, but it's not going to eat through metal in 45 minutes. So please don't hate on the guy. It's not his fault. I should have checked on the gas tank. It's on me. So you guys could see from what I showed you guys before on the table that it was really bad inside. I didn't think it was this bad. I only had it sitting for about 45 minutes. We got holes in the side. We got a couple holes in the bottom, and I basically shot the gas tank. But if you look inside, you can see even when the acid did work. You can see those holes. Even when the acid did work, it's still surface rust, and I feel like this whole tank is basically rusted all the way through, which is really a shame because I hate losing original parts, man. I didn't even want to dent this gas tank, but I ruined it, so shame on me, but I guess that's how it goes. But good news is we are going to be buying a brand new gas tank for the 70. We're going to be buying the bubble gas tank off Spangler's or Honda ATC70.com. I'll put the link in the description for you guys in case you want to go look at them. They're like 125 bucks. I'm gonna get a white one, and that one I'm pretty sure clears this right here, so I'm not gonna have to mess with it or anything like that. But I think that's how we're gonna go out on today's video, sadly with a destroyed gas tank. So if you guys did like today's video, make sure to hit that like button. Leave any comments you guys have down below, especially on this, because I don't know, it feels bad, man. Feels bad. But subscribe if you guys are new and you want to see more content. If you guys want to see more content like this, and stay positive, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.